Namaste viewers. In this video, we will be dealing with numbers, at least one of which should be near a base 1000 or its multiple, that is 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on up to 9000. I will also be dealing with multiplication of numbers with different base multiples, which can be brought to the same base or its multiple. In this video, we will be using complementary numbers of 1000. In the previous two videos, we were using the complementary numbers of 110, and here we will be using complementary numbers of 1000. And for this, we will be using the Vedic Sutra, all from 9 and last from 10. I hope you must have seen my previous video. If you have not seen, then please go through them first and then see this video further. That will be helpful to you in understanding this video far better than straightway going for this video. Let's start with the numbers. So here I have taken both the numbers below 1000 or above 1000. So let's take the first example in 94 into 575. So the complementary of 994 is minus 006 and complementary of 575 is minus 425. So this from 10 and these from 9 give you 00 and this is 6, and here this from 10 gives you 5, this from 9 gives you 2, and this from 9 gives you 4. So these two are to be multiplied to get plus 2550, where 2 will be a carry because we have 3 digits here, 3 zeros, for which will be replaced by 550, and this 2 will be added to the left side of the answer and which will be coming from here. So either you subtract 425 from this or you subtract 6 from 575 to get you 569, to which the carry 2 will be added to get you the final answer 571550. We can check this by the digit sum method, which I dealt in the first video of my YouTube. And here, so the digit sum for 994 is 4 and for 575 is 8. So multiply 4 with 8 gives you 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. So here the digit sum for the answer should be 5. Let's see. 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 2 plus 3 is 5. So hence our multiplication is correct. So that's how we can check our multiplication is correct or not. Now let's take another number. 902 multiplied by 998, both are below 1000. The complementary of this is minus 098 and complementary of this is minus 002. You multiply these two to get you 196, and you subtract 98 from 998 to get you 900. So the answer is easy, 900196. So checking, you get the digit sum 2 here and 8 here. 2 into 8 is 16, 1 plus 6 is 7. And here 9 gone, 9 gone, 6 plus 1 is 7, hence our multiplication is correct. Let's take two numbers which are above 1000. So 1338 multiplied by 1011. So one number is near 1000, that's 11, and multiplication of 11 will be easier. So 338 multiplied by 11 will give you 3718. So multiplication of 11 will be dealing with a separate video where the digits being repeated can be multiplied. So there you will see, but here at this time you can multiply 11 with 338 to get you 3718, sorry, and 3 is a carry here. So adding 11 to 1338 we get 1349 plus 3, 1352, 718 is the answer. So here the digit sum is 8 plus 1 is 9 gone, 3 plus 3 is 6, and here 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 into 8 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is 0. So it should come 0 here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5, 3, 8 and 1 is 9. So this is 0. So this multiplication is also correct. Now we take up numbers 1 above and 1 below. 1 above and 1 below. So 1107 gives you a complementary 107, and 992 will give you minus 008. So multiplying 107 with 8 will give you 856. So we put a bar here because plus into minus is minus. So either you put a minus sign here or you put a bar above this. And then we can add this with this to give you 1099, or subtract 8 from 1107 to get you 1099. So here we will find out the complementary of this. So all from 9 and last from 10. So 6 will give you 4, and 5 will give you 4 from 9, and 8 will give you 1 from 9. So 144. So 1 is to be subtracted from here. So it becomes 1098 because you have taken 1 from here to get 1000, and from that you have minus out 856. So it becomes 1098, and the final answer is 1098144. So this is 7 plus 2 is 9. So it is 0. So multiplied by any number will give you 0. So the answer should be, digit sum should be 0. And let's see, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is gone. 9 is gone. And 4 plus 4, 8 and 1, 9. So it's 0. So our multiplication is correct. Another example, 1009 multiplied by 785. This will give you 009 plus, and this will give you the complementary minus 215. So multiplying minus 215 with 9 will give you 1935. So there is a carry here which is to be subtracted from this side, and here instead of 1 will be subtracting 2. So 794 will become 792 because 1 is required here, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So 794 becomes 792, and then the complementary of 935 will give you 0965. So the answer is 792065. So here the digit sum is 1, and here the digit sum is 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 8 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So it should be 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 both gone. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So hence our multiplication is correct. Now let's take up numbers which are above 1000 base, and here this is an example where 2000 has been taken as the base, 1988 and 1546. So 988 will give you complementary. For 8 from 10 gives you 2, 8 from 9 gives you 1, and 9 from 9 gives you 0. So 6 from 10 gives you 4, 4 from 9 gives you 5, and 5 from 9 gives you 4. So multiplying 12 with 454 gives you 5448. Minus to minus is plus. So this carry has to be added to the left side of the answer. For the left hand side, we subtract 12 from 1546. That's easier than subtracting 454 from 1988. So this gives you 1534. This has to be multiplied by 2, and then 5 has to be added to this because 2000 is the base here. So 4 to the 8 plus 5 is 13. You put 3 here and 1 is carry. 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 to the 10, 0 and 1 carry, and 2 1 the 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 3073448. Let's check by digit sum method. 8 plus 1 is 9, gone. 9 is gone. So 8 is left. And here 5 plus 4, 9 is gone. 6 plus 1 is 7. Multiplying 7 with 8 gives you 56. 56. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this should be 2 here. And let's see how much it is. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 8, 29. 2 plus 9 or 9 gone, 2 left, or 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our multiplication is correct. So on the left hand side, you get 7725, to which 5 is added to get you 7773, which has to be multiplied by 7 because 7000 is the base, and to which 5 carry will be added. So 7 3 the 21 plus 5 gives you 26. So there is a 2 carry here. 7 3 the 21 plus 2 is 23. There is a 2 carry here. 7 7 the 49 plus 2 is 51. There is a 5 carry. And 7 7 the 49 plus 5 is 54. So your answer is 54136,800. Let's check it. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9 gone. And 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 6 into 3 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is 0. So this should be 0 here. Let's see. 5 plus 4, 9 gone. 6 plus 3, 9 gone. 8 plus 1, 9, 0. Hence, our multiplication is correct. Now I take you to a situation where the numbers do not look to be near 1000, none of the two. So for example, 1071 and 1067. So none of the two is near 1000, and in the beginning we had said that one of the number must be near 1000 so that multiplication becomes easier. So how to solve such problems? And this will be done in this way. Let's take out the numbers out here, 071 and 067. So here what we see is that there are 2 digits number which are to be multiplied. That's 71 with 67. The base is 70 here. So taking the base 70, we take the numbers here. So from 71 it is plus 1, and from 67 it is minus 3. So the complementary of this 67 is minus 3. So multiplying these two will give you minus 3. So there is a bar here which has to be subtracted from 10. And then 1 will be subtracted from here after, because 70 is the base. And here 67 plus 1 is 68, or 71 minus 3 gives you 68. And this is 7 times. And so multiplying these two and taking out 1 from here, because 1 will go here to make it 10, and so we have 7 here, and then 7 into 8 is 56 minus 1 is 55, so there is a 5 carry, and 7 6 the 40, 2 plus 5 is 47, so there is a 5 carry here, and the sign is plus, and this will be added to this side. So now we have to add 71 to this, or we have to add 67 to this to get you 1138, and to which 4 has to be added because this carry comes from here. So 1138 plus 4 will give you 1142. So 1142757 is the answer. So here what we have done is we have taken 2 digits number, one of which is both of which are near a particular base, that is multiple of 10, that is 70, and such problems can be solved this way, and this becomes quite simpler, but you will have to take pains in understanding this, and we're combining this. That's why I said in the beginning, you see my previous videos where 2 digits number are being multiplied or 3 digits number are being multiplied, and they're close to some base or its multiple. So that's how we can solve such problems where number do not look to be near a particular base, but they can be brought this way, near bases, and the multiplication can be done like this. Let's take another example. 8872 and 8882. None of these is close to a complementary number, and this can be brought like this. So 872, the complementary of this is 2 from 10 gives you 8, 7 from 9 gives you 2, and 8 from 9 gives you 1. So it's minus 128. 882, 2 from 10 gives you 8, 8 from 9 gives you 1, and 8 from 9 gives you 1. So these two are to be multiplied. So here we get 28 plus 128 and 118, 18 plus. These two are to be multiplied. They are close to 20. So 28 gives you 8 and 18 gives you minus 2. So multiplying these two, we get minus 16. So there is a 1 carry here. So 2 will be subtracted from the left side of the answer. So here 18 plus 8 gives you 26, or minus 2 from 28 gives you 26, because the base is 20. This has to be multiplied by 2, gives you 52. 52 and 2 will have to be subtracted from here. 1 is the carry and other is 1, which you are taking 1 from here to subtract 6 from 10. So 52 minus 2 will give you 50. So 5 is a carry here. So this 5 is plus this multiplication. So this 5 has to be added to this side of the answer. Let's see what do we get here. So if you add 18 to 128, or you get 28 to 118, gives you 146. So this 146, so there is a 5 carry from here. So this becomes 151. So because 1 digit only can come here and the rest has to go on this side. So we can get 3 digits from here, and that is 104. So 15 will be carried here. So when you add 5 to 146, you get 151. So 1 remain here because 3 digits are required for this side of the answer. And 15 is a carry. And let's see how we solve this problem. So this is 9,000 the base. So this side. So if you subtract 128 from this or 118 from this, you get 8754. This has to be multiplied by 9. So when you multiply this, you get this, and then you add 15 to this, or you can do like this. 9 4 the 36 plus 15 is 51. So there is a 5 carry here. 9 5 the 45 plus 5 is 50. There is a 5 carry here. 9 6 the 9 7 the 63 plus 5 is 68. So there is a 6 carry here. 9 8 the 72 plus 6 is 78. So your answer is this. So either you can go on multiplying this and adding the carry from here, or you can multiply this, write this, and then add 15 to this to get the answer. So this is the answer. You can check this by digit sum method if you so like. Let's take up another example. 3798 and 4012. So the complementary of this here is 8 from 10 gives you 2, 9 from 9 gives you 0, and 7 from 9 gives you 2. So minus 202, and 4012 gives you 0, 1, 2. So this is positive, this is negative. Let's multiply these two to get you 2424. So there is a bar above this, and then you subtract 2002 from this to give you 3010, or you add 12 to this to get you this. So this is 4000. So this whole has to be multiplied by 4. So let's solve this first and then multiply this by 4, because the whole number is from 4000 base multiple. So for 4 to 4, now you subtract this. This from 10 gives you 6. This from 9 gives you 7. This from 9 gives you 5. So there is a 2 carry here, and 1 more has come from here. So 3 has to be subtracted from this. So from this, when you subtract this, this becomes 3807. So 3 from 10 gives you 3807, and then this has to be multiplied by 4 to get you this answer, 152300304. Let's take another example where the number has been brought to the same base multiple. So we have 7049 and 1154. So this has to be divided by 7 to get you 7 into 1007 will give you 70749, and this has to be multiplied by 1154. So now these two numbers, one of these is close to 1000, and let's see the multiplication. 1154 multiplied by 1007. So this gives you 154, this gives you 7. Multiply these two to get you 1078. This one has to be added to this side. So 1154 plus 7 will give you 1161, or you add 154 to this. And this has to be solved, so this becomes adding 1 to this, 1162078. So the whole has to be multiplied because there are three factors, 7, 1007 and 1158. And so this has been multiplied by 7 to get you the answer, 8134546. And let's see the sum. So 7 here, 7 plus 1, 8 here, and 1 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 gone, so 2 is left. So 8 to the 16, 16 into 7 is 112. So 112, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 has to be the sum or multiplication. 8 plus 1, 9 is gone. 5 plus 4, 9 is gone. 3 plus 6, 9 is gone. So 4 is left. 4 is here. Hence, our multiplication is correct. So this way, you can solve various types of problems which are either close to 1000 or away from this, and they can be brought to the same base multiple. I hope this will solve a lot of your problems, will make the things easier. There are some difficult portions also, but I have tried to give you examples. So try with new examples and see you can do the multiplication very well. Hope for the best for you. Thank you very much.